Hey guys, I'm Lesson Gonsalves and recently I got to know of a very good business opportunity which can be done by housewives or students. This business idea doesn't require any initial investment and can do this easily from your home itself. So go check out Meesho, India's #1 reselling app. I've given the link in the description below so you can download this app from Google Play Store and also check out their official website. I've also given some video tutorial links below which will help you a lot in this business. So join me and 1 lakh plus people who are earning money from home using Meesho app. You can also use my referral code LessonG299 and get a discount on your first order. Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you how to prepare
Goan homemade mango jam, that is Mangaad. So let's begin with the recipe. I have used around 12 medium sized Musraad mangoes. If you are not getting these mangoes, you all can use alphonso mangoes as well or any other variety. First we have to wash and wipe the mangoes and then remove the flesh and make a puree out of it without using water. Once you have a bowl of mango puree, transfer it into a copper vessel along with lemon juice and cinnamon stick. In this case, I have used a traditional copper vessel called sottel. Cook on a medium flame. In this case, I am using wood fire. Once it starts boiling, add sugar and keep stirring it continuously. This recipe took almost 1 hour, so if the quantity is more, it may take more time to cook. When you're stirring, this mixture tends to stick on the sides of the vessel. So at regular interval, try to remove this mixture using a knife. Once the jam leaves the side of the vessel, remove it from the heat. Overcooking will caramelize the sugar, change the color and taste, and harden the jam on cooling. Transfer the jam into sterilized jars and refrigerate for a longer shelf life. Some tips while making mangaad. You all can replace cinnamon stick with cloves. Reducing the quantity of sugar may prevent the jam from gelling. Also, sugar acts as a preservative. Keep stirring it continuously on medium flame, otherwise it will burn the mixture. To check if the jam is ready, take a wooden spoon and scoop out some jam. If it holds back on the spoon, that means it's ready, and if it drops down, then it's not ready.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Till then, we'll meet next time in my next video.